Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install mods in Minecraft. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up a web browser. Okay. If you have the game open, just gotta close it. Okay. And here, just gotta find a mod loader. You can gotta choose from 3 mod loaders or famous mod loaders. It's like Optifine, Forge, or Fabric, or even NeoForge, like so, or Kilt. Okay. So again, for this example, we're just going to be using Fabric. Okay, just look for Fabric Minecraft, click on it, or you can go straight ahead to fabricmc.net. You just click on the download button right here, download for Windows, save it wherever you want. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop, hit on save. Now, once that's done, we're going to need the Fabric API. So to get it, just click on Fabric API right here, and go to Files, and go ahead and find the latest one. Okay, but if I were you, I'm just going to go ahead and find a mod first before selecting a mod loader version right here. So for example, we have CurseForge right here opened, right? Just right click on it and hit on open link in a new tab. Okay, now in here, just look for Minecraft right here. Just click on it. Now click on browse all. You gotta scroll down and find Fabric. Okay, just tick on it, and here we have a ton of Fabric related mods. Okay, so for example, maybe we're just going to be using this one, Modern Fix, all-in-one mod that improves performance, reduces memory usage, so on and so forth. Okay, just click on download right here and wait for the download to pop up. Just click on desktop or wherever you want, save it. Okay, so when we go back right here, as you can see, Modern Fix requires a game version of 120.1. Okay, so go back to Fabric right here and find 120.1 as well. So let's just go ahead and find it. There you go. Click on 3 dots, hit on download file, wait for the download page, save it on your desktop or wherever you want. Okay, so let us see if this mod right here requires something. Okay, under description, you could go out and read through this. As you can see here, it doesn't need anything. So that means that we're good to go. So just minimize this one. As you can see, we now have the Fabric installer, the Fabric API, and the mod that we just downloaded. Okay, 120.1, 120.1. So double click on Fabric. Okay, now go ahead and find on the drop down 120.1 as well. Make sure that you match the versions. Okay, now go ahead and click on install, wait for it, click on OK, close this one. Now go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. Wait for it to open. And once done, go ahead and over to a Java Edition right here. Click on installations. And as you might remember again, 1.20.1 right here. So just hover your mouse onto it, click on folder icon, then go to find the mods folder. Okay, if you can't find one, right click on a blank space, hit on new folder right here, and just name it mods. Okay, double click on mods. Now just move these things right here to the mod folder. Okay, as you can see, as easy as that. You can now go ahead and close this folder. Now go back to 1.20.1 right here under the Minecraft launcher. Then just hit on play. There'll be a prompt. Just click on I understand, hit on play. Wait for it. As you can see here, there are additional files that needs to be downloaded, and that would be the mod itself. And once the download process is done, it will open up the game that is already modded. Okay. Depending on the mod, there might be some special characters that needs to be pressed. Okay, for example, I have downloaded the Minimap mod, which is from Zero. Okay, if you need that video, you can go to check it out on the channel. When I have that specific mod, I need to press Y to open up its settings. Okay, you'll have to read through the mod page right here. What do we do, or how do we access the settings? Something like that. Okay, as this is only a performance mod, as you can see here, nothing needs to be done. Okay. Just basically download the mod and you're good to go. And that is it. That's how you install mods in Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.